Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to free up disk space on your PC. Start by typing in storage settings in your PC's search bar and open it up. Once opened, you can see how much storage your disk has, how much you have used already, and on what you spend the disk space. I suggest turning Storage Sense on so your PC deletes files you don't really need, like temporary files, and files in your recycle bin automatically. I will now do it manually by clicking on Temporary Files. Once clicked on it, you can select what temporary files you would like to delete. Select the ones you don't need, and over here it will tell you how much storage you save by deleting them. Next, click on Remove Files. This may take a while, but when it's done, you will have more disk space to use for things you actually need. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.